That doesn't look like a Jericho missile.
That's because it's a miniaturized arc reactor. I got a big one powering my factory at home. Should keep the shrapnel out of my heart.
But what could it generate?
If my math is right, I don't know as is, 3 gigajoules per second.
That could warm your heart for 50 lifetimes.
Yeah. Or something big for 15 minutes.
Working on a secret project, are we, sir?
I don't want this winding up in the wrong hands. Maybe in mine it can actually do some good.
William, here is the technology. I've asked you to simply make it smaller.
Okay, sir, that's what we're trying to do, but honestly, it's impossible.
Tony Stark was able to build this in a cave! With a box of scraps!
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not Tony Stark.
Artificial intelligence.
This could be it, Bruce. This could be the key to creating Ultron.
I thought Ultron was a fantasy.
Yesterday it was.
Get ready for a major remodel, fellas. We're back in hardware mode.
You're a mechanic, right?
Right.
You said so.
Yes, I did.
Why don't you just build something?